How to screen a tenant with TenantCloud. Screening potential tenants is easy on TenantCloud. You can purchase a report in two ways. One, from a rental application. If your tenant submitted an online rental application, you can request a screening from there. Just open the tenant's application and select Request Screening Report from the three-dot menu. Since the rental applicant's information is already filled out, all you have to do is click Next and choose who will be paying for the screening report. Send a screening request to get started. 2. From the Applications page. If you'd like to screen a tenant without an online application, you can order a report from the Applications page. Simply click Screen Tenant and select the rental property they're applying for. Next, pick a screening package and any add-ons. Then enter the applicant's first and last name and email address. Choose who will be paying for the report. You can now send a screening request. After the report has been sent, a new application will automatically be created if they don't currently have one. The tenant will be notified via email about the next steps. Once they fill out the form, you should receive a completed report via email.